So this is the notch in the front of the larkspur dress. I'm going to sew this. You can't really see the line here because I drew it on with white, but I'm sewing up to the mark that I have, going to pivot, gonna follow the line that I have on here. As I get closer to the point of the notch, I'm reducing my stitch length. And not quite there yet. Then pivot. So a little ways, then I change my stitch length back to my original length, and I'm going to follow that line. And then, not quite there, go back to my 3/8 inch seam allowance around the rest of my neck edge. For this notch needs to be cut out. And then this is for any V-neck with a facing. Need to cut down to the stitches, but not through them. If you have some fray check, you can dab some of that on here and let that dry. Clip these corners right here. It would be a good idea to reduce your stitch length right here too. That completely did not cross my mind. This is another place that you could add some fray check as well.